Hello, hi friends, Ankit this side from My Shop Deal. Today we are looking the Mapsco Mount Village. They recently received the occupancy certificate. So we are looking into the size of 1490, which is a 3 bedroom and very spacious. So at that entrance you have the entrance foyer, so that the privacy of the living room and dining room will remain maintained. This is a main door, so it's a hardwood door with a security panel. So all the switches of the flats you are seeing here are of Honeywell. So this is the foyer. We are entering the first bedroom. So in the first bedroom you will get the wooden flooring, you will get the AC. It is of a decent size, well ventilated and connected to the balcony. It is the washroom. Have a look of the washroom of a decent size, and you will get all the false ceiling. You will get this type with purely ventilation, well ventilated, and all the fittings are of Kohler in this. So it is also attached with the balcony of this Mapsco Mount Village, Sector 79, Gurgaon. The tentative price of the product starts from 1.05 CR onwards. Yeah, this is the living and dining area. It's well ventilated along with the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. So you will get a fully modular kitchen with chimney, hob, all the appliances, and the kitchen chimney is of Faber brand, and this is a well lit balcony. So balcony also has the washing area and the tap and the switch for the washing, and all the electrical fittings are of Havells inside the product. Now we are entering the second bedroom of the size of 1490. It is again a very spacious with well ventilated your window, a proper sufficient space for the wardrobes, a well ventilated, a fire extinguisher, smoke detectors, everything. Again the AC inside the room and the washroom, fully loaded washroom with the fittings of the Kohler. So it is again a high brand washroom, well ventilated. A small thing I would like to tell you about is that your AC units and the plumbing units are outside, so that in case of any emergency or any problem, the plumber will come out from outside and rectify the issue in your ducts and your problem get resolved. So again the fittings are of Kohler. So all the fittings in the washroom is of Kohler. Wooden flooring you will get, AC you will get in the bedroom. Now we are going towards the master bedroom. Again you see the ventilation. The window has also been kept there so that there's a proper sunlight inside your apartment. Now we are entering the master bedroom. So it's a decent size master bedroom with a proper area for the wardrobes, well ventilated wardrobes. You are again AC. You will get the AC inside of Daikin, which is again one of the top brand in the AC. So all the AC are of the Daikin brand, and a very well ventilated balcony. So the height of the balcony, which I would like to mention here, is also maintained for the safety of the kids and all that. So it's a decent size property. If you are looking something for a ready to move in, so this project received the occupancy certificate OC. So you can shift here. It is in sector, or I can show you the view. See the view from the balcony. The entire Aravali, which is the world's second largest Aravali, and you are getting a glimpse of the swimming pool also, which is one of the half Olympic size swimming pool, a well ventilated location. And this is the overall look of the facade of the project. It is by Shapoorji Pallonji, and the by one shuttering construction technology is used inside the product. See, these mesh facade are by Morphogenesis, which gives you the richness once all the lights in the evening will be off. Close to nature at 79, because you see all the Aravali belt from the apartments. So for further details you can contact My Shop Deal team. Thank you so much. This side Ankit Malik. Have a nice day.